Hello, meet StretchIt, the Google Chrome extension designed to help users that do long computer sessions correct their posture and prevent back and carpal tunnel pain. Since the start of the COVID pandemic last year, all the team members noticed that we were spending more and more time behind our computers than working online. In addition, many of us have begun to experience strain-related injuries as well as unhealthy computer usage habits, such as, for example, 6 hours working on a hackathon project without a single break. Because of this, we decided to make StretchIt, a Google Chrome extension to monitor browser usage and send reminders to take breaks, drink water, and do stretches. After you've installed StretchIt, you'll be greeted with this welcome screen. From here, we navigate settings and configure the preferences we want. As you can see, there are sliders to select how often you want to be reminded with the various reminder types we offer, as well as which metrics should be tracked and what types of reminders you would like. We'll leave these all as is because we want the reminders to be as fast as possible so that we can test this out quickly. Now, if you click on the extension icon in the upper right corner, you can see that we have some options to enable silent mode, like this, and this, when silent mode is active, it will suppress any new notifications. Enable and disable that. You can also see hand stretches and body stretches, we'll get to these later, as well as open settings. And you can see I've already had this installed for a bit, so it's currently counting character typing and mouth movement statistics. Looks like we'll get a mouse movement reminder soon. Also have timers for breaks, so there's a break timer, posture timer, and water break timer. And the water break timer is fixed, but the other two are variable. The break timer will be changed in settings only, and the posture timer will be changed in settings as well as if you click yes or no to the notification. Now we'll test out the typing and mousing metric statistics. Now if I open this page and type in some random text, it should have updated, yes, and it did. And now if we continue just typing random text, you get this notification. And if you click sure, it will open up a page to do stretches, and this is the same as the page that's linked here. So if you click this, it's the same page. And now you can do these exercises. So in this page we have 3 exercises. The first one is called spiders doing push-ups on a mirror, and you'll see why when I start the animation. We also have step-by-step process and the steps written out below. And each of these have animations. The next one's handshakes. And the final one, Stretch Armstrong. Now we'll wait for the mousing reminder. So we'll close out of this page and we go back to here, and we can just move the mouse around quite a bit, and it should eventually trigger. So currently it's 303, and this is just number of mouse movements on the page. Yep, and now if you click sure, you're brought back to the exact same page. Now we'll wait for notifications so we can try out the rest of them. In the meantime, I'll talk about next steps with StretchIt. Next steps include adding more smart functionality to the extension. We really want this extension to be useful to real-world users, so we plan on continuing to work on the project after this hackathon. A few main feature ideas we have while developing the app but didn't have a chance to implement were using ML to adjust the timing of the breaks to be more natural, adding a feature for the user to be able to program in breaks they take automatically or take breaks in advance, as well as triggering more options from the interactions with the notifications rather than just the simple basic notifications. And now we'll just wait the remaining 2 minutes. And here you can see the reminder. So now it asks if you want to do some stretches. If you say no, it will just dismiss the notification. But if you say yes, it will open up this page here. And it gives you an option to do 4 stretches. First, we have the forward stretch, like this. And this is just done in the same way as the hand stretches. Next we have the overhead reach. Then we have the tricep stretches. As you can see, it has the same step-by-step process frames and list of steps. And finally, the upper body and arm stretch. And now we will go back to waiting for the next notification, which will be the posture reminder. Here you can see a posture reminder. If you've had good posture, it will increase the delay to the next reminder by 10 minutes if you click yes. If you click no, it will decrease it by 10 minutes or just keep it to the minimum, which it is at currently. So if you click yes, it will increase it to 21 minutes. And here you see a water reminder, and this one has no interactions currently, but it's just a basic reminder that runs on the guideline of 30 minutes, every 30 minutes for water breaks. Yeah, thank you for watching this video on how StretchIt works.